NEET UG 2026 examination scheduled for 21st June, the Indian Air Force will deploy Mi-17 helicopters and other aircraft to transport question papers from 18 locations across India as part of a high-level security operation aimed at preventing any repeat of last year's paper leak controversy. Officials said the use of military aircraft will ensure security and timely delivery, reduce transit delays and protect the integrity of the examination, while additional military and security personnel will remain on standby if required. The National Testing Agency will conduct the exam in a single shift from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. at centers nationwide. To strengthen security, all paper setters, moderators and translators have been placed under strict lockdown until 21st June at an undisclosed secure location with complete restrictions on mobile phones, laptops, internet access and other communication devices. Authorities have also placed every stage of the examination process, including question paper preparation, translation, moderation, printing, packaging, storage, transportation and distribution under enhanced scrutiny. The NTA has rejected social media claims of any paper leak, sale or prior access to the question paper, calling them false, fabricated and misleading. Meanwhile, the CBI investigation into the NEET UG 2026 paper leak has revealed a suspected structured network involving educators allegedly misusing their roles in the examination setting process. Among those named are chemistry lecturer P.V. Kulkarni and botany lecturer Manisha Mandare, who are accused of conducting private coaching sessions in Pune where students were reportedly given exact questions, answer options and solutions believed to have been sourced from the examination paper. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.